mum of 3 Stacey Solomon welcomed baby Rex into the fold last May and wants to set a good example for her children by being green. She has been doing a bit by swapping single-use items for reusable or biodegradable products and by upcycling old bits of furniture. Loose Women's star Stacey has now teamed up with Baby Dove to support the baby care brand's sustainability campaign and recent launch of its biodegradable wipes. She said, "As a parent, I am so aware of every choice I make impacting the future world my children will live in when they grow up. With 3 children, it's a constant cycle of wiping bums, loads of washing and making snacks. So it's important for us to be as conscious as we possibly can in the choices that we make. I want to lead by, for example for my kids, making small changes like using refillable bottles and finding things around the house that I can upcycle instead of throwing away can make a big difference." My youngest Pickle is 1, and any parent knows how easy it can be to rely on single-use products, even when we know we shouldn't. Stacey got behind the campaign after Baby Dove commissioned a study of 2,000 parents with children aged 3 and under. The research found sustainability takes a backseat upon having a newborn for 2/3 of parents. And 27% went as far as to say it's impossible to be eco-friendly when raising a newborn. During the first 12 months of their child's life, parents will typically spend £1,944 on non-sustainable baby products such as unrecyclable baby wipes and nappies. However, while 2/3 said they would like to use more environmentally friendly options, 1/3 have simply found doing so to be too difficult. The biggest barriers to being greener are the high cost of eco-baby products, 42%, and the time it takes to clean reusable items like nappies, 39%. A lack of availability, 31%, is also a hindering factor. In addition, 3/4 of mums and dads said they don't feel well enough informed on how to be green. Despite not always choosing green options, many parents are still conscious of the impact of buying particular items, with 2/3 worried about the amount of landfill they may be causing by using non-sustainable baby products. And 1/3 also admitted they do feel judged by others when they use single-use baby items. Stacey Solomon added, "It was one less thing to think about when I discovered Baby Dove had created biodegradable wipes which biodegrade in just 6 weeks, the same as an orange peel." The packaging is also fully recyclable, which isn't always the case for biodegradable wipes. Importantly, they're affordable and hassle-free without compromising on quality and gentleness on baby skin. The Baby Dove study, carried out through OnePoll, also found parents would be more inclined to buy green baby products if they were cheaper, 65%, and more widely available, 38%. And 7 in 10 said they would use biodegradable wipes if they could readily buy them. Nikki Komisky, marketing manager for Dove, said, "At Dove, we believe in care that goes further for our consumers as well as our planet, which is why we are committed to making all our plastic packaging reusable, recyclable, and compostable by 2025. Being more sustainable should not have to come at a cost, and it's with everything else to contend with. New parents looking to be more sustainable should not have to compromise." Our Baby Dove biodegradable wipes are a practical solution for parents looking to make small changes to reduce their waste consumption without compromising on quality.